Angel Tries Reloaded Season 6. Video starts now. On YouTube, Instagram, maybe TikTok. Who knows?
These wonderful filled snack cakes by Gansito? I don't know how to pronounce that. But that duck right there is so super cute. Of course, so I done opened it. And here's the blinding ingredients with the orange. Oh my. Let's fix that for you guys. Here's the ingredients. If you guys want to pause that plenty of ingredients. That box is so shiny. So these are from Mexico, I do believe. Yeah, product of Mexico. Alright, let's see if you guys can see this a lot better. The ingredients, as you can see, it's a product of Mexico. Everything's so shiny on this box. Okay, here's what it looks like. Alright, let's try this for you guys. Ooh. The sponge is good. Yeah, the sponge is really good. Light, airy. It's good. Here's what it looks like. Sorry, this light on this camera blows everything out. You can see right here, this cream filling, and then this is like strawberry pineapple. Mmm. These are danger food right here. 5 out of 5, all day long. What do I mean by danger food? Food that you can eat over and over again and you have to go back and buy more because you lack self-control because products are so good. Oh my god. I want to get a bite of that filling. Oh my god. Yes! If I say too much, it wouldn't be family friendly no more. These are good. Solid 5 out of 5 stars. Solid 5 out of 5 stars. Orgasmically good. 5 out of 5 all day long. These are really tasty. The duck tells no lies. The duck is like saying, "Sup! These are good. They're going to have you to have a mouth orgasm." There goes the family-friendly stuff of this whole entire try video. Family-friendly, this went out the window. Anyways. He's like, "You're going to like it." And I'm like, "Okay, we'll see." Yes, I'm going to like it. You are right, duck. I like the packaging. Other countries have the most coolest packaging ever. We got some bland packaging over here. Come on. Awesome duck. Awesome snack cakes. I mean, products in other countries seem to have a more fun and everything. And everything's so bland over here. Anyways, enough about that. If you see these at your local Walmart or grocery store, pick them up. They're going to be tasty. I can't guarantee that they're going to be at the price they were when we got these today. As come a few months from now, They might be a little bit more. Who knows? Anyways, 5 out of 5 stars. Take care, everybody. Peace, love, and hugs. Be kind to each other. I love you all.